Hello guys, and in today's video I will show you what kind of Koch Chemie products do I use. Okay guys, so first interior cleaner is Polestar. This is a pH neutral, so it's a pH 7.0. It's very soft on an interior. It won't necessarily get rid of this heavy duty dirt, but it's great interior cleaner. It's very safe for the car. It's safe for all surfaces like leather, fabrics, floor mats. On the back here it says how to use this cleaner and also how to dilute it. So this one in particular is diluted to 1:5 or 1:20, depending on how dirty is your car, of course. But yeah, this is about it for this cleaner. Like I said, it's very safe. Many people use this product and I can vouch for it as well. It's very amazing. It's safe for all surfaces almost. And here on the back it says also for what kind of surfaces it can be used on. So I mean, just a great product and I really love this one. So the next cleaner that I got from Koch Chemie, it's this GS. It's a green star. It's not pH neutral, it has pH 12.5 and it's an all-purpose cleaner. That means that it can be used on exterior and in interior of a car. It's stronger than a Polestar that we discussed before it, but that just means that this green star would get the severe stains on the carpets, on the seats, and just the dirt more efficiently out of the car than the Polestar. So the Polestar is much weaker cleaner than a green star. Green star is more universal. So for the exterior of the car you have 1:5 or 1:30, depending on the severity of your exterior. And for the interior you have 1:10 and 1:20, depending on your severity. So yeah, green star, amazing product. Then we have this MZR cleaner from Koch Chemie, and I won't even try to pronounce this for what it stands for. But yeah, this is just the interior cleaner, but it's pH 12.5, exactly the same like the green star. So it's a strong cleaner for the interior, and this one can be diluted 1:5 or 1:50, depending on how dirty your car is. So if you don't have that dirty of a car, you can dilute it 1:50, and this is very little of this product. But yeah, I don't have much to say on this one. It's similar to Green Star, it's the same pH level, but this one is just for the interior of a car. So it's not so universal, but it's a stronger cleaner for the interior, and for those deep stains or those heavy stains, this cleaner would be heavily recommended for this kind of stains. So then we move on. This is LS, aka Leather Star. It is used on all kinds of leather surfaces. So to use this product you need to first wipe the seats down with the Polestar or the Green Star, and then you put this product on the microfiber towel and you wipe down the whole seat. Once this product dries, you then use a fresh microfiber towel and you wipe the excess off. And that's how you protect your seats. It will also give it a little bit of the shine and the UV protection as well. So yeah, just a great product for leather seats. Okay, so next we got this CSP, aka the Cockpit Super Cleaner. So you would use this product for like dashboard, interior trim and the rubber seals. So you spray this product onto a soft sponge and then you apply it to interior trim or dashboard. Then you leave it to dry up and then you possibly wipe out the whole thing with a microfiber towel. So yeah, this product, it gives the dashboard the UV protection. It also gives you a shine. But yeah, that's it for this product, and let's go next. Next we have a GLA, aka Glass Star. Okay, so you would use this product on glass-like surface. This would be mirrors and windows on the car. And you would spray this product on the microfiber cloth and then wipe the windows and mirrors down. You spray this product undiluted, or you can dilute it 1:3 if you want less cleaning power. But yeah, this is just a glass or window and mirror cleaner. But yeah, nothing more to say about this one. Next one is AS, aka the Auto Shampoo. It isn't the strongest, but it's also not the weakest. Koch Chemie also says the gentle snow foam, and they also sell a stronger Auto Shampoo. So this one is right in the middle. It isn't the strongest, but it's also not the weakest. You can use it by the snow foam gun, or you can use it for the contact wash as well. So if you are using it by a snow foam gun, you will dilute it 1 to 10, and if you are using it as a hand wash, you will dilute it 1 to 50. So yeah, this is for the Auto Shampoo. But yeah, next one is my favorite. This is why I even begin ordering the Koch Chemie products, and this is a PW, aka the protector wax. Okay, so how do you use this one? Well, you diluted 13 to 20 millimeters of this product into a 1 liter of a water. You put it into a snow foam gun, and then you just foam it onto a car, and you will see it start working immediately. You will see the droplets of water drop off the car, and that is basically how the cleaner works. It gives you that hydrophobic wax, and it lasts about 1 to 2 months, depending on how your car is stored, if you have it in the garage or if you have it outside. But yeah, 1 to 2 months is generally what this product will last you once you foam it onto a car. But yeah, I absolutely love this product. This is why I started using the Koch Chemie products. Just love this product, and that's it for this one. But yeah guys, that's it from me. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any questions, let me know down in the comments. So yeah guys, thank you for watching again, and bye.